Lesson 3, Part 3. Vocab. First, denwa, telephone call. Tomodachi to denwa de hanashimasu. I spoke to my friend on a call. Second, okuni, country. Okuni wa dochira desu ka? Hankoku desu. Which country are you from? I'm from South Korea. Third, kaisha, company. Kaisha de hatarakimasu. I work at a company. Fourth, uchi, house or home. Nichiyobi wa uchi de sugoshimasu. I spend my Sundays at home. Fifth, kutsu, shoes. Atarashi kutsu o kaimashita. I bought new shoes. Sixth, necktie, necktie. Necktie o shimemasu. I tie my necktie. Seventh, wine, wine. Kore wa Furansu no wine desu. This is a French wine. Eighth, uriba, counter or department. Wine uriba wa doko desu ka? Where is the wine selling counter? Ninth, yen, Japanese currency yen. Kono kaban wa ikura desu ka? 5000 yen desu. How much is this bag for? It's 5000 yen. 10th, kai, counter for floors. Jimu wa 2階 desu. The gym is on the second floor. 11th, nangai, what floor? Kaigi shitsu wa nangai desu ka? 3階 desu. What floor is the meeting room on? It's on the third floor. Moving to the grammar points. Grammar point 4. Noun 1, no noun 2. When noun 1 is the name of a country and noun 2 is the name of a product, it means that noun 2 is made in that country. No is a particle that indicates possession or ownership. Example, kore wa doko no computer desu ka? Nihon no computer desu. Where was this computer made? It's made in Japan. Grammar point 5. O. The prefix O is added to things related to listener or a third party in order to show the speaker's respect towards that person. Example, O kuni wa dochira desu ka? Where are you from?